Yeah, the rush hour traffic last night was crazy. Driving through some of the streets, not down here, but like up in the favelas, I guess, or up in the mountains. That shit is crazy. Super narrow. I can see Sugarloaf Mountain over on the left. I'm gonna try to make it over there today. Just really want to check out the water and the beach. But it is pretty. It is pretty. And the waves are pretty awesome. So I'm kind of winging this trip. I did mark off a bunch of spots on TripAdvisor that I wanted to check out while I was here, but I'm realizing now that Brazil is huge. It's huge. I think it's a bit bigger than the United States. And so my initial thoughts were to really kind of just drive all over. And I think if I had 2 weeks in the States, I think I could do it. But here, for whatever reason, it seems almost insurmountable. So Sao Paulo, Rio, all that stuff is in the south of the country. And then up north, you have a bunch of lesser known cities. But they got some really cool spots that I wanted to check out while I was out here. But I think the next closest one is damn near a 17-hour drive. So I don't know how far north I'm gonna make it. But I do want to try to get up as far north as I can and then come back south. But I think I can really honestly spend the entire 2 weeks just in the south. Sao Paulo, Rio, Porto Alegre, I think is how you pronounce it. And so I only got my room for 2 days. So I don't know, maybe I extend it, maybe I leave, we'll see. And I'm definitely looking forward to a beach day. Today is not it, but definitely looking forward to it.